No blending, no what. Today we are going to do an eyeshadow without any blending.
It's a glitter primer. Asha's glitter primer. Just a little bit of it.
So I'm giving a quick blend.
This rainbow palette.
So using the same eye brush that I blended with is the one that I'm using to pick the glitters and applying it. So make sure that you put the glitter primer. If you don't have glitter primer, put the clear
But this grayish or whitish, I put it on my.
I'm putting on my tear dot, and it's very pigmentative because of the glitter glue that I put. So I'm putting some dots so that it will be easier to trace. So you just put the dots, then you just trace where you want your wing liner to be. This is a very easy technique that you guys should try out. It's very easy. Then I'm going to stamp just to continue with the liner so that it will be, when we put our lashes, it will not look like they are separate with the original. Like with my real lashes and the fake lashes, we want them to just merge together. So I just use this on my waterliner, and I'm using this white, continuing with this white eyeshadow just below my waterline on my lower lash, just like that. And then I'm putting mascara on my lashes, my upper lashes. You see, my upper lashes I put the way we're supposed to, but the lower lash I'm using the corner, just like that. And I'm making sure that I pick all the hairs. Then we go to the fake lashes.
This softly. Remove this softly. Remove this softly. Remove this. After, never leave the corners. Never ever leave the corners. So we're going to chop off these corners.
I have something for you.
Chop off. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Go
So I'm going to put this clear. The advantage of clear glue is when you make a mess, it will not show. But if it's a black glue, when you make a mess, it will smudge all over. It will smudge. I'm telling you. Okay. So before the glue gets dry, I'll cave it. Something like this. Okay. You need to do this. It will be easier for you to apply. Okay. Then just leave it for some less than 2 minutes to make it tacky. Make it tacky. So the glue, you don't need to put small. You don't need to put small. You don't need to put too much. You just have to put enough, and make sure that there is enough glue on the corners because it tends to rise. Okay. So here I'll take my mirror. So like this. Make sure I place it on top of the natural lashes, not too much far, but on top.